Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the heavy-duty Adventure Seeka 24-inch folding campfire grill. This rugged tool is crafted from high-quality coated steel for maximum durability during your outdoor trips. The unique folding design saves valuable space in your RV or camping gear while traveling between sites. You get a food-safe grate and griddle combo, featuring a convenient swivel design for easy cooking. This versatile setup allows you to sear steaks and fry eggs over an open flame with ease. This Australian-owned product is built to last through many seasons of intense campfire cooking adventures outdoors. Upgrade your outdoor kitchen today and enjoy delicious meals wherever your journey takes you this season. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.